Hello everyone. Firstly, I want to congratulate you for enrolling in this particular course. Now I'll tell you how to take access for this particular course. So once you download my Civil Brains app, you are in the home screen. You will be in the home screen. So by default, sometime the course whatever you have purchased, no, it will come here like become successful civil engineer. You click on the start learning option. Once you click on the start learning option, you will end up in this particular window, and you can click on the courses option. If it doesn't show up here, not an issue, you directly click on the profile option. Click on this profile option. Once you click on the profile option, this particular window will open up. You have to click on the courses option here. The moment you click on the courses option, this particular course is going to come. So you click on this particular course. So once you click on this particular course, the next option is you get this thing, that is overview, content, live class, and notice board. So you have to click on the content option here. So once you click on the content, you have a Hindi language and English language. So whichever language you want, you can select. So if you want English language, select on the English language. So once you select the English language, you land up here. So here all the courses have been added. Like you see, basic site engineer, basic estimation, basic bargaining schedule, basic material estimate, and whatever things I had promised you, right? Everything is given here. Now, first you have to start on this particular, you have to click on this basic site engineer course. So once you click on the basic site engineer course, you land up here. So all these are the lectures I've added here. So you have to start watching it from here. Start from the first lecture, finish it off, come to the second, third, fourth, and this way you finish all the lectures from here. Once you finish this, next you start with the next content, next folder. Once you finish all the lectures from here, you start from here. So this way you can finish the course. Once you finish everything, you can come to this particular option called as column placing and orientation. You learn this. And if you want to know how to prepare the resume, how to apply for the jobs through LinkedIn, how to get the jobs and all, those things I've explained it here. Now, apart from this, if you want to watch my lectures on TV, laptop and all, I've added one lecture here. If you click on the content, you can see how to watch the lectures on PC, laptop and tablet. Click on this. I've explained you how to do that. You have to follow this. Got it? So this was all about the course. Now, this is a 99 rupee course what I've given. If you feel I'm the right person to teach you, after going through my content, if you feel Akshay, whatever knowledge you are given here, it's a very good knowledge. I've gained a lot of knowledge from here, but I want to still improve my knowledge, because in 99 rupees, I cannot give you my 9 years of experience. I cannot teach you my complete 500 hours of the content for 99 rupees. I cannot do that. In that case, if you're really interested, what you can do is, yeah, you can enroll in my complete course by name Construction Manager Mastery. So before enrolling, I'll show you the reviews from the students. So all these are the reviews that is given by my students through Udemy platform and through my apps and all. You can go through all of the reviews that is given. You can see here, one of the student also got a job in Dubai. So I don't guarantee that you'll get a job in Dubai only, but you'll get a knowledge so that you can go anywhere on this country and you can take a job. So all these are the reviews that is given by the student. Now I'll directly take you to a few of the courses and I'll explain you how you need to understand them. Yeah. So once you open my Civil Brains app, you get a lot of courses here. The one course is Construction Manager Mastery course, which has all my content in that. Okay. The next course you have is a Site Engineer course. So when you enroll in my basic course, right, this particular basic course, here in the Site Engineer course, I have given almost 35 videos. After 35 videos, you'll not get anything here. In that case, if you want to learn complete thing, only the site execution part, you can click on my Site Engineer course. You can click on the content here, and you see here I have added a classes here. One is a Site Engineer A to Z practical training, and next is Advanced Site Engineer. And whatever I teach you, everything I'm going to teach you from the practically from the site. I have 3-4 construction sites going on. Whatever work happened there, all the things I'll do the recording. You can see each and everything here. Okay, see, you can see everything practically from the site I'm going to teach you, and not even the single training institutes on online and offline are able to teach you to the level what I teach. So that is a guarantee what I give you. And you can go to Udemy and check my construction methodology course, which has more than 1,000 ratings across 190 countries, and more than 7,000 students have enrolled in that particular course. So this one course I've taken more than 1.5 years to do the entire recording, go to the site every day, capture each and everything, and then I've made a course of this, so that, because if you go for any offline training also, max to max 2 to 3 months they're going to teach you. In 2 to 3 months you cannot do any building construction. Even if you're doing a 1,000 square feet house, it will take a minimum 7 to 8 months. What I have done is, for the past 1.5 years, I went to the site daily. So this particular building, what you can see, a ground plus G plus 4-story building, everything I've captured, And those things I'm going to teach you. Not only the site execution, I'll teach you each and everything. Like you studied about the bending moment, the shear forces in your college time, right? What is the application of that? How do you design a beam? How do you design a column? Each and everything, if you see here, everything is a practical video I'm showing you here, live video from the slab. So this way, each and everything I'm going to teach you how to do the cranking of a bar practically on the sets, all like 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes video. ETAP result, how you design the beam, how do you use the Excel sheets, what is the importance of shear force on the real projects, how do you decide the length of the top bar, what is the importance of the bending moment on the side. All these things you studied in the college. What's the practical application of that? So G+4 building beam reinforcement, practical video for primary and a secondary. Not even a single institute on the offline and online, I'm guarantee you that they're never going to teach you all these things. And and I'm going to just charge you 750 rupees for this, and I'll show you how many students have enrolled. You can see here 217 students have enrolled here. If you go to Udemy, there are more than 6,500 students. So you can pay this for 749 rupees. If you are not able to pay for 749, you can make use of the installment option. First installment you can pay 499, and after 2 weeks you can pay the remaining to 250 rupees. So this is all about the site execution course. Along with this, you will also get the advanced site engineer here. In that, I'm going to teach you the petrol bunk construction. If you see here, water tank construction, quality control, petrol bunk construction, bridge engineering fundamentals, site management and safety, and industrial flooring works. These things also none of the offline trainings will teach you. Okay, so this was all about the site engineer course. So if you don't want the site engineer, okay, maybe if you're working as a site engineer, if you don't want that, you can go for another course that is called as advanced quantity estimation course. Here I'm going to teach you G++ residential building complete estimation. So each and everything I'm going to cover here. So far there are 278 students. The cost is 750 rupees. You can click on the installment option. If you cannot pay it in a single installment, you pay 499 on the day of purchase. After 2 weeks, you can pay the remaining 250 rupees. Suppose if you don't want even this course, if you want to learn only the drawing reading course, only if you want to read the drawing reading, you can learn my drawing reading course. Again, it has more than 40 hours of the content. It's already updated. It's not 20, it's more than 40 hours, where I'm going to cover a lot of buildings here, industrial, residential, commercial, steel structure, and none of the people is going to teach you to this level. Even if you have 3 to 4 years of site experience also, I would suggest you to buy this course. The reason is here I'm going to teach you a lot of designing concepts here, like how do you understand the drawing, how do you design the footing column beam. I'm not going to cover only a single building. Okay, I'm going to cover a G+3 residential building, then a G+3 of another building, then G+2 residential building with a car parking, G+1 commercial building, G+1 hostel building. Then I'm going to give you assignment. Then there are structure engineering concepts what I teach. There's an industrial building. Apart from this, again, a lot of lectures I'm going to add here, like flat slab construction, steel structure drawing, water tank construction, and all. So those things will be added in this particular lecture. So if you're interested, you can enroll. Otherwise, if you feel no, sir, tell me a one course where I'm going to learn everything. In that case, you can go for my construction manager mastery course. So my construction manager mastery course is almost a 500 hours of the content. And here, what will happen? I have four buildings going on. I'll show you those things also. Yeah. So in this particular course, you're going to learn all these things. I'll show you the content once again. You learn my site engineer course. You learn my advanced site engineer. You learn my quantity estimation. You learn BOQ, rate analysis, material estimate. You learn bar bending schedule. You learn estimation thumb rule. You learn the drawing reading concepts. You'll learn you will have an interview preparation course. You'll get a building engineer course. You'll get a concrete technology course. You'll get a practical aspects of building construction. You get my MS Excel course. You get my project planning course. You get my MS project course. You get my Primavera course. You get my AutoCAD course. You get my Revit course. You get my ETABS course. Along with that, I'm going to add another 4 lectures in that. One is I'm right now working on one of the apartment construction. So it's a basement plus ground plus floor. Whatever construction happens there, every day I go to the site, I capture the images like this. I have a videos here. I'll show you a few videos also of that particular building. So what will happen is I'll cover all these things in this, but you can see all these other things, what is going on. So right from the foundation level only, I'll teach you, not in the between. Right from the start, this is a 2-year project. For the entire 2 year, whatever construction will happen, right from the foundation up to the handing over, whatever things will happen. No? So I'll be capturing it like this, and those things I'll be adding it in my, so you can see this way, all the center line marking, each and everything I'll explain you. How to calculate the shuttering material, each and everything, how the center line marking is done, everything practically from the site, I'll teach you. And none of the offline training people will do you all these things. They may take you small house construction and all. Here we are covering a big apartment construction, and with quality, each and everything I'm going to teach you. The person will have one who get 2 to 3 years of experience when he goes to the site. That much amount of knowledge I'm going to give you from my 9 year of experience. and with all the practical videos, what I'm going to teach, none of the people is going to teach you to all these things, right? So I have shown you the apartment construction. Then there is one more commercial building construction. So this is one of a commercial building construction. Those things also you'll be getting. It's a commercial building construction. So I'll be covering a lot of topics, lot of different buildings. In one building, I cannot make you a proficient civil engineer. I need to cover a lot of buildings. Only then I can assure you that you go anywhere on this country, on this planet, you'll definitely do a construction job and no one can stop you after taking training from me. Then there is one polar bear ice cream factory construction happening. So again, this is one of that particular site. These things I'll be covering you. It's a steel structure. I'll tell you the steel structure also. Then I'll be covering a PB structure construction also. So this is a PB structure construction. So I mean the steel structure construction it is. So these things also I'll be adding it in my course. How the steel structure will be happening. No, those things also will be covered in that 4,500 rupees course. Each and everything I'll be covering you. How to read the drawings, how these things are done. Practically, you see all the images, all the videos. No, I'll teach you everything. Then there's a PB. Then all the drawings, how to read the drawings. Everything will be covered in that particular course. Then that's it. The PB construction, how the PB constructions will be done. You see, this is one of an industrial building. How this entire industrial, what are brazings, those things will be covered in the. Right now, I didn't do the recording. In another 1 month, now right now today is February 29. By the end of March, I'll start recording the videos and I'll be uploading that in this particular course of advanced construction manager master. Only in here I'm going to add, because for the content what I'm giving, I cannot give it for 500 rupees and all. Okay, so that is why these things I'll be adding it here. Yeah. So if you are not, and one more thing. So if you cannot pay this in a single installment, so far there are 144 students enrolled. You can pay this for 1124 every month. 1124 you can make an installment 4 times you can pay. Okay, 1124 every month you can pay, and you can enroll in this course. You get a lifetime access to all my courses. So if you're not able to go with this course, you can go with my 6-in-1 combo course also. Here what happens? You learn my site execution course. I'll tell you what all content you get here. You get my site engineer course, you get my advanced site engineer, you get my quantity takeoff, you get my BOQ, you get my BBS course, you get my drawing reading course, and you get my MS Excel course here. Okay, you get only, it's a 6-in-1 combo. So here the course price is 1500. Again, if you cannot pay it in a single installment, you can make use of installment option. 750 rupees you make a payment on the date of purchase. From there I give you another 1 month. You can make another 750 after a month. So for one or two students have enrolled in this course. If you don't want this course, if you want another course, then you go with my 6-week challenge course. Okay, so in the 6-week challenge the price is 2500. You can pay this in 3 equal installment. I mean, first you pay 999, then after 1 month you pay 750, after another 1 month you pay 750. So far 69 students have enrolled in this, and I'll show you the content also. So if I click on the English language, again it's the same thing. You learn site execution, advanced site, quantity takeoff, BOQ, BBS, estimation thumb rule, then drawing reading. Then you learn this which is that another one is interview preparation course. You will get it here in 6-in-1 combo. You don't get concrete technology. You'll get my MS Excel course in this. So this was a 6-in-1 combo. Only the thing is you don't get my AutoCAD, Revit, MS Project, Primavera, and the future courses whatever I'll add. No, those things you don't get in the 6-in-1 combo. So for that you have to buy my construction manager mastery course. In that you'll get all my content here, and all my courses are lifetime access. So that's how my courses are. So try to watch my lectures. If you have any doubt, if you feel you're not able to understand anything, then always WhatsApp me on this number 818095128107. I'll be there to help you out. Okay, whatever doubt you have, you're not able to understand something, whatever problem you have, you can always WhatsApp me on this number. And if you have any doubts, like suppose if you're working as a site engineer, what additional skills you require? Suppose if you want to get into the QS field, what is required? Suppose if you want to become a billing engineer, suppose if you want to become a planning engineer, or you want to work in abroad in Dubai, what things are to be done? Or let us say you have been preparing for the government exam for the past 5 to 6 years, and your age is, let us say, 28, 29. So you feel like you're lost in the construction field. You don't know what has to be done. You can always contact me on this number. I'm there to help you out. Okay, whatever problem you have, A to Z, whatever problem you have, you can always WhatsApp me or you can call me. First you WhatsApp me, then I'll come on the call and I'll explain what has to be done. Maybe if I don't have certain courses, I'll tell you from where what courses has to be done. So I'll be there to guide you. Okay, so this was all about my course. And coming to one more thing, for this 99 rupees course there is no certificate. For all the other courses I provide a certificate, but only the thing is you have to finish my course. After finishing the course, you have to show me what work you have done, and then I'll see it. After that, I'll take an interview. Only after the interview, I'm going to give you a certificate, and I'll show you how your certificate looks also. So once you finish my that 6-month internship course, it will be almost 300 to 400 hours of the content. I'll write it here, and after that, I'll take an interview. For this student, I took almost 45 minutes of interview. I asked him a lot of questions. After asking him questions, and then I'll prepare a certificate like this, like you worked on a G+4 residential building, and you know to do all these things. My signature will come, and everything will come. After that, there's a Udemy profile of mine. So if you click on that, it will take you to the Udemy profile of mine. So there I've taught more than 84,000 students, 7,500 reviews. All these are all these are my courses over there, and yeah. So all these are the courses of mine. And if you click on any of the course, this is my that site engineer course which I explained you, which has more than 6,500 students there. It has got 4.6 star rating. It's a bestseller on the platform, and you can see more than 1,000 students have given a rating for this particular course. And I have 4.5 star instructor rating on Udemy, and there are 84,700 reviews. Okay, so whatever you want to see, you can come and check on Udemy, and you just put my name, you'll get all the courses of mine. And if you just put there 𝗥𝗍𝗃𝗵, the first course which will appear, it belongs to me, most of the courses. So you can see this is my course, this is my course, all are my courses only. If you go to Udemy, most of the courses, they fall under my name only. After that, the other people are coming. Okay, because that is the content what I teach, and that is what people have uh, believed on me. So that is why all the courses, it has more students there. Yeah. So that was all about my course. That is how that was all about my course. I've explained you each and everything regarding the certificate, how to take the access, what are the other courses you have. Only the thing is you have to prepare a notes. No ready-made notes will be given from me. You all people are engineers. You all are more than 20, 21 years of age. So God has given you that much power to write. So you'll prepare notes on your own. Whatever drawings are there, those things I'll provide you. Other than that, from my side, only the drawings will be provided. Notes you have to prepare on your own. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing, these certificates, what I told, no, these certificates has no value in the market. Always remember. So don't go behind the certificate. Even though you take a certificate, or even though you get a certificate, yeah, the certificate, no, because none of the company will ask you for any certificate. Even you're doing a job in India or abroad, no one will ask you whether you have a certificate and all. And few people, what they do is they say, we give you ISO certified certificate, you take our course. Again, ISO certified certificates, they all are big scam. Whatever certificate I'm giving, that is also of no use. The entire value of this certificate is big zero. When you go for the interview, if you're able to answer what he's asking, and if you're able to speak, if you're able to open your mouth, if you're able to answer the questions what they ask, then definitely you'll get selected. No one is interested to see your certificate. No company will ask you for any certificate. So it's all about the scam. It's all about selling the courses, so that we attach a certificate to the course and say we give you a certificate. So in my uh, platform, what I usually do is only after your interview, only then I'll provide a certificate. Again, once I provide the certificate also, I'll say the value of the certificate is big zero. It has nothing to do. You'll not get a job unless you have a knowledge. Okay, you should have good knowledge. You have to perform in the interview. Only then you'll get selected. Okay, so that is all about my course, all about my content and all. So don't go behind the certificates. Your degree certificate is enough for you. If you have done your BTech or B, the degree certificate what you have got, that is enough. If you have done diploma, your diploma certificate is enough. Other than that, no other certifications is required. Okay, nothing is required. You have a knowledge, you go and perform in the interview, you get selected. That's it. Got it? Because all the certificate concept came only after 2015 when the COVID happened and all. No, before there also there were engineers who were getting placed, who were getting job. So that time there was no certificate. So why suddenly after 2015 the certificate, the ISO certificate has come into picture? It's all about selling the courses and all. So even before 2015, 2010 also people were getting job, no? So based on the knowledge, they were getting a job. They didn't carry any certificates. So in the resume also, you don't have to attach any certificates and all. Just in the resume, you write that you have this much skills and all. See, these things I have covered in my course. If you enroll in the course, if you go to my this particular course, if you go to the content, here I've added one complete lecture about job selection, portfolio making and all. Everything I've added, how to get a job as a fresher, how to prepare resume, each and everything. It's like 36 minutes video, 52 minutes video, how to apply for the job in a big company. Everything I've explained you. Okay, so that's it. So learn from the course. That is enough. Improve your knowledge. That is what is required in the industry, not your certificates. So I hope you have enjoyed my entire lecture, and I explained you each and everything. Apart from that, if you still have any doubt, if you want to take any career guidance and all, I've given my number. You can always WhatsApp me and you can speak to me. So I'll see you in the video. Thank you. Yeah. One more thing I wanted to tell, when you enroll in my complete course or when you enroll in my advanced quantity estimation course and all, I teach you how to prepare such Excel sheets, how to take out the quantities of all the building, how to take out the material cost, like how much cement, sand, aggregate is required, putty, what is will be the total cost of the entire building. So this way we'll be learning each and everything. Along with that, we also be learning how to prepare the BOQs and all. So that is a bill of quantities. If we see what will be the total cost of that particular building, out of that, how much is my excursion rate, all those things I'll be covering in my estimation course. And when you enroll in the complete course, or when you enroll in the site engineer course, I'll be explaining the complete site execution of this G+ for commercial building, where live each and everything for this particular building I'm going to teach you. So this way, with practical videos, practical images, each and everything I'm going to cover right from the site, how the reinforcements are arranged with the photos and along with the videos what I have shown you. Each and everything I'm going to cover you for the entire building. You will also learn how to read the structural drawings, what is the importance of bending moment, shear force, why the bars are provided like this, what is bottom curtailment bar, each and everything, what is primary beam, what is secondary beam. So you can see it here, then how the reinforcements are arranged, each and everything like beam, column, slab, everything I'm going to cover in my site execution course. That is why I always tell, none of the offline trainings and online trainings can teach you to the level what I teach, because that is what I know what I'm going to teach you in this entire course. Even if you pay 30, 40, 50,000 for the offline trainings also, they cannot match to the level what I'm teaching, which I'm giving for 750 rupees here. Each and everything I'm going to cover here. Most of the things, when I say each and everything, most of the things, each and everything, no one can cover, but whatever is required, yeah, we'll try to cover. And in future, whatever things I will learn, those things I'll be adding it in my construction manager mastery course. Right now I told you about the apartment construction now. In future, if I get some villa project, and if I get some pile foundation, or maybe a my one shuttering, I'm not guaranteeing you that I'll get. In case if I get all those things, yeah, surely those things will be added in that particular course. So that's how the entire course is made of, each and everything I'm going to teach you. So I hope you have enjoyed my entire thing, and you got a complete idea that to what level you're going to learn, and what all things will be covered in this particular course. So I'm expecting that you will be enrolling in the other courses as well, so that your knowledge is drastically going to increase, and we both together can become a so that I can make you people a better civil engineer. So I'll see you in the other side of the course. Thank you.